Alright, this is the Steadicam AIR spreader, 3-leg spreader. This is if you have a Steadicam AIR 15 or Steadicam AIR 25 monopod and you want a tripod-like spreader at the bottom instead of the round foot that it comes with. So in order to install this, you need to remove the Steadicam AIR rubber foot and then attach the new Steadicam AIR spreader. So let's go ahead and just unbox this. Here's the main unit. This is that bottom foot that goes on the ground, and these are the legs that open up. That is a very nice, satisfying sound there. So it says push, and that allows you to fold the legs up. And again, let's listen to that sound. That's nice. So it looks like a 3/8 screw here, screw thread, a round rubber washer there. This is a rubber foot, which doesn't look like it's coming out, but that would contact the ground typically. And then you have some hex wrenches and this protector there. Alright. And that's all there is to it. Steadicam AIR spreader.